Sometimes life gets hectic, especially with a toddler, and flowers wind up being an afterthought. Who would have thought? This homeowner, who is a regular client, reached out and she was worried that she had missed her chance for winter plants. While she wouldn't be home for the holidays, crepe is still very important to her. Her only request was that we do a festive red and white theme for Christmas. The flowers that I chose were violas, as they were looking prime for this time of year, and they offer winter blooms all season long in our climate. To keep things cohesive, I also added them to her two front pots while letting Snapdragons take center stage, as they were just stunning. The result were two cheerful pots and hundreds of blooms, and they'll be spreading holiday joy to neighbors and anyone else who passes by. What do you think?
I ain't afraid of the dark. 'Cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars.